Having clean fuel not only helps your machines run better, but also means less carburetor maintenance. In this video, we'll show how to replace the fuel filter on a Husqvarna 128 CD trimmer. The only tool needed for this simple job is a small curved pick or a similar tool. Begin by removing the fuel cap. Using the pick, reach into the fuel tank, hook the filter, and fish it out. Replace it with a quality replacement and put it back in the tank, making sure not to kink the fuel line. If you like this kind of short and to the point how-to video, consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification below. Hipa has a full line of parts and accessories for your small machines, including our exclusive all-in-one kits. Visit us at hipastore.com.